Okay, today we're talking about how to maintain raw vegan, how to sustain that, to keep on eating raw vegan. We all know that raw foods are the best foods on the planet. I mean, you ask anyone, what are the healthiest foods on the planet? They're going to say fruits and vegetables. Why? Because they're living foods. We are living organisms. We need living food. Why do we need living food? Basically, it boils down to enzymes. Enzymes are the spark to every cell in our bodies. Enzymes are the spark that activates every cell, every tissue, every organ, everything in your body functions through these enzymes. We need living enzymes. We're living creatures. We are living organisms. The problem with cooked food is that once you heat it over 130 degrees, the enzymes are now dead. Okay, you've lost the enzymes in your food. You've lost that spark. Okay, you're now consuming dead food. Now, will it sustain you? Yes. People have lived for 90, 100 years on dead food. But the problem is that you eat cooked food at a very serious expense. You lose your regeneration, your rejuvenation, your vitality, and your energy. Because dead food cannot give you that vitality, those live enzymes that raw food can. But many people fail on a raw food diet. Oh, I tried it, I couldn't do it. I just couldn't do it. And when I tried to eat too much fruit, it just made me feel uncomfortable, uneasy. I didn't feel well. I felt spacey. And I hear these complaints a lot. People say, I can't eat so much fruit. Tom, how can you eat all that fruit? Don't you get spikes in your insulin levels, your blood sugar levels? And the answer is no, I don't. Why? Now, here's the point of this whole video: how to maintain being a raw food eater, a raw vegan. You have to be low fat. That is the key. Because, I mean, if you're eating animal products and you're eating fat every day, you're not going to be able to maintain it. Even if you're eating the so-called good fats, avocados, nuts and seeds and so forth, if you're eating them every day and too much, you're not going to feel well. You have to be low fat. If you want to maintain eating raw, living foods with the enzymes that are going to give you that rejuvenation, that spark. So you must, like for me, for instance, I eat, some nuts and seeds and avocados every second or third day. I don't have them every day. And when I do eat them, I'm not eating enormous amounts. The reason why, when you're on a high-fat diet, when you're eating fat every day, whether it's from animal products or plant foods, whether you're, avocados, nuts, and seeds, if you're eating fat every day, fat will stay in your bloodstream on a continuous basis. It takes 12 to 24 hours for fat to get into your bloodstream. And if you're eating it every day, there's a constant flow of fat in your bloodstream. Fat inhibits, it prevents the sugar getting out of the bloodstream to the cells, because fat is a gooey, sticky substance which inhibits the insulin receptors. It coats them. They don't function properly anymore. And you can't get the sugar out of the bloodstream to the cells. That's why you feel lousy. You don't feel good, because that sugar is trapped in your bloodstream. The solution? Very simple. Get off fats, overt fats, for 7 to 10 days. And then start eating fruit, and you'll see that you can eat copious amounts of fruit. It's nothing for me to eat 10 bananas or to eat almost a whole watermelon by myself, because I'm on a low-fat diet. I don't eat high fat. So that's the key if you want to be raw vegan, and it's the best way because you're getting those live enzymes. Go low fat. Do it for yourself and see, like I say, 7 to 10 days, no overt fats. And then when you go back to adding avocados, nuts, and seeds, have them every second or third day. Every second or third day have some, and not huge amounts, small amounts. And you're going to see a huge difference in your ability to eat more fruit. And that's one of the keys to being a raw vegan. You have to be able to eat more volume of fruit to get your calories in, and you'll be a happy camper. So if you have any questions on this video, please let me know. Please give me a like, a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. And I know this is something that's not, that easy to do. It takes some time learning how to eat more fruit and eat less fat. Because most people, especially here in the United States, the bulk of their calories come from fat. Okay, we want the bulk of our calories as a raw vegan to come from carbohydrates, the good carbohydrates, fruit. Okay, that's why this website's called Fruit and Sport. Fruit's the king. It's the best food on the planet. So again, give me a like, a thumbs up, please subscribe, and to your health, success, and fruit up.